I love cheetahs, but some might say that they are not as good compared to other big cats. So today we are going to find out how good they are comparing them with another impressive elite, the cougar. I know that I have already presented the 5th episode's candidates for the title the best animal in the world, but just to make the intro cooler, I will announce them one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present you our two competitors. The cougar versus the cheetah. This is definitely cooler. Also stick until the end of the video for an interesting offer and to find out who is the winner of the last battle between the grey wolf and the spotted hyena. Let's do it. I'm Mario and this is Animal Battle. Before we start, you should know that I am not going to favor a cheetah, because we are going to evaluate both of them objectively based on 6 different characteristics: agility, attack, defense, intelligence, bonus skill, and survival. Also, even though cheetahs and cougars are pretty large felids, they are not considered as big cats because they don't have the ability to roar. So let's begin with agility. Cougars, also named mountain lions or pumas, are pretty good climbers, being able to climb trees and steep mountains. They can reach impressive speeds of up to 64 to 80 km per hour and can jump for more than 10 meters in length and 5.5 meters in height. I'm pretty sure I can't jump this far. And they can also swim. Cheetahs can also climb trees if they need to, but what makes them have maximum agility stats is their incredible speed. In a couple of seconds they can reach speeds of up to 110 to 120 km per hour. That is definitely faster than our hero Usain Bolt, and most of the time you aren't allowed to drive with such a speed. So how do they do this? It all comes down to their design. They have a long and very flexible spine, which bends so much that they can cover big distances in each jump. A car wouldn't outspeed them in a savanna terrain because, besides having a flexible spine, cheetahs have a long tail for fast turns and don't have retractable claws for a better grip. But in order to reach such impressive speeds, cheetahs also need to be lighter and smaller than other felids, which is going to affect its attack and defense stats. Now we are going to talk about that. So cheetahs have a head and body length of 112 to 150 cm plus a 80 cm tail. They can weigh from 21 to 72 kg. The cheetah is still the 6th largest cat. Cougars are the 4th largest cats. Males can weigh from 53 to 100 kg, while females weigh 29 to 64 kg. Mountain lions can have a head to tail length of 150 to 275 cm, but their tail is 63 to 95 cm long, so their head and body length is smaller. The cougar can eat any animal it catches, from insects to large ungulates. The biggest part of its diet is represented by deers, elks, hogs and coyotes, but sometimes they are not strong enough to kill the prey without the risk of getting injured. Cheetahs usually hunt medium-sized prey like blesboks, impalas and gazelles. Here they use their speed, but even though it is good against specific types of prey, they can't kill larger species of ungulates. Also, because they are smaller, their kill can be stolen by leopards, lions or hyenas. Also, it is harder to protect their cubs. If a lion is nearby, the cheetah will try to distract it, being faster, because there's no way it will be able to fight the lion. Cheetah cubs have a special adaptation for defense. They have a grey back to look like the aggressive honey badgers, which are usually avoided by larger predators. But lions, jaguars and hyenas still manage to kill cheetah cubs sometimes. Cougars have competitors too. Most of the time their kill can be stolen by bears, jaguars or packs of wolves, but sometimes they can try to defend their kill. So it looks like they have pretty good attack stats, but are not as good at defense as other felids. Also, the mountain lion is winning at both the attack and defense stats. Are we going to talk about intelligence stats? Yes, we are. So it is pretty obvious that they are quite smart, because their predators and hunting requires a higher level of intelligence. Arguing that one is smarter due to it having a larger brain is pointless, as our existence, because an animal having a larger brain isn't necessarily smarter. Okay, let's go now to bonus skills. So cougars aren't that special, having just a good night vision and a troll potential. Trying to roar it can make you think that someone is being murdered. Just listen to it. And the cheetah's attempt is even more pathetic. Yet cheetahs still have some other bonus skills. One of them is the cub's camouflage, which is pretty smart, but when they grow up they have a yellow fur with 2000 black spots, which is perfect for camouflaging the tall savanna grass. Also their pattern is unique. It has the best vision from all the terrestrial animals, being able to spot the prey from up to 5 kilometers away. Now I feel uncomfortable knowing that there might be a cheetah staring at me at 5 kilometers away. And those black lines around their eyes are used to attract the sunlight to reduce glare. So, having high bonus skill stats, cheetahs are back into the game. And last but not least, let's talk about survival. Cougars are listed as a least concerned species. They had a way bigger range in North America, but it has shrunk due to excessive hunting. Now there are around 15,000 of them in North America, and the populations of Central and South America are likely much higher. Cheetahs are listed as a vulnerable species, having lost 89% of their historical range. Currently, there are around 6,700 of them in the wild. They can give birth to 3 to 5 cubs, which will live around 10 to 15 years. So, overall, we can observe that their stats are still pretty good. Cheetahs having maximum agility points and higher bonus skill stats, while cougars are winning at attack, defense and survival. Who is the winner? It is up to you, because you can vote the winner in the poll right there and write your opinions in the comments down below. Also share this video with your friends, family and babushka so that more people can see how amazing these animals are. Remember, I wanted to tell about an offer, here it is. Would you like to have your name appear in my videos so that thousands or tens of thousands of people would see it? I made a Patreon account where you can support me, and besides having some other privileges, your name will appear in all the following videos, and not just in a boring end screen, but anywhere in the video, on a photo, in a video, or even on the freaking icons. You will be basically immortal. The link is there and in the description. And before ending this video, I will announce the winners of the last animal battle between the grey wolf and the spotted hyena. So, after counting all the votes, the winner is the grey wolf, an amazing animal with high stats overall. Hyena fans shouldn't be upset, because even though the grey wolf is the one going further, spotted hyenas are still impressive animals, and we should understand that all animals are amazing. So once again, don't forget to vote for this episode's winner in the top right corner, and take advantage of the offer by becoming a patron. Respect animals.